Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Are you a worried plant mama like me? Then you need to get a moisture meter. This moisture meter is so easy to use. In my succulents, I have been really noticing a difference because I'm able to see how much water they are really sucking up during the summer. And it has been very hot in my sunroom. So my plants inside and also my plants outside have been very well taken care of because I have this moisture reader now. Now I know when I need to water and how much because I can test the soil right away. And if the moisture meter measures moist or wet, I can skip the watering for that time period. My plants are happy and so am I with this moisture meter. So throw all your worries away and get a moisture reader for your plants. You will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.